Hi guys! So I decided to make y'all some videos of my little mini rocks that I've been doing. I've been having a lot of fun with these. So after I sketched this out, it's a succulent. I used my Faber-Castell kneadable eraser just to take off most of the graphite. And then now I'm lining it with a Derwent line maker in 0.3. And I'm going to go back and forth between 0.3 and 0.1 throughout the video, just adding little touches to it. So once I got it all sketched and lined out and ready, I am using the Rich Red in Wanda's the Foiling Rock Lady acrylic line. I watered it down, so I actually did it more like a watercolor, but I really like how it works like that. And then I used white paint that I'm just going in and layering it and shading in that middle part till I get it to a point where I really like how the shading is. And I just keep going back and forth with the white and the watered down Rich Red until I get a blend I like. And then I let it dry, and I took some full strength Rich Red, just a little bit, and just kind of feathered it into the side and the bottom. And then around the edge up there, I also did some watered down red, Rich Red, and then I filled in the dirt area part in black, just with my line maker. Now I'm using a mixture of neon yellow, Wanda's neon yellow, with bright yellow with the green, the sap green, and a little bit of white. And I came out with the green color for those leaves. Now on the left leaf and the third leaf from the left, or fourth leaf, I'm adding some white in at the top and just blending it down. I'm sorry, all my allergies are wackadoodle today. I shaded them down a little bit, so those leaves are a little bit lighter. And then I took some moss green in Wanda's acrylic fluid shots, and I went back and forth. I added a little black to the moss green and did the right leaf, and then I added a little more bright green into that mixture and did the back leaf. And I'm basically going to do that, all through. Each leaf is going to be just slightly a little bit different color. So I started out with a real bright green, and that was too bright green. I didn't like it. So you're going to see me go back and go over it again and put it to a color I like. I don't know why, but these little mini rocks I have been loving to do lately. And I can't seem to get off of it. Like, I did one big piece like 3 or 4 weeks ago. And now I'm like into these little tiny ones. So this is just the Rich Red that I took a dotter, and I'm dotting in different sizes. I used the big dotter side in a couple of places, and then I switched it around to the little piece and the little dot, and just went around. And then I let that dry. Now I'm just going over the edges again, make it a fresh black edge. And then I totally thought I was recording, and I wasn't. But I had already done some outlining with my fine one, the 0.1. And so I kind of went in and just showed you what I did. I went over the edge at the tips and the sides and all of that. So then I'm putting a little bit of white on the base and let it dry. And then I'm going to just put the lines back in from the line maker. And this is where I'm adding some eucalyptus in the liquigels. And now I just wanted to add a little touch. I already put a green rhinestone. I'm going to put a red rhinestone. And so here's my cute little Christmas succulent. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you try it. Thanks for watching, and y'all have an awesome day.